you guys. So it's Nick from Presley's Dental Cleaning. So this is today's job. So it's a render clean. So we're just going to soft wash this. It's a nice easy job today. There's no red, black, algae or anything like that. It's just green, nice easy green algae. And I don't know if that's showing up on camera. It should be. Yeah, it looks like it is. Actually, I'll show you where they've had a little bit of an extension. You can see the difference. So, see there? That's what it will look like. That little corner section. That's what it's supposed to look like. Yeah. So we're just going to soft wash this. Well, I'm going to soft wash this. Get that looking lovely. I actually did this job 4 years ago. So. It's held up pretty well considering it's been 4 years. And that side as well. Now, my issue here is because I'm using sodium hypochlorite. If you get that on untreated wood, which this is, that'll stain it. So I'm going to have to keep this absolutely soaked with water from the tap. And that'll make sure I don't leave any dribble marks or stains on there from the hypo. So yeah. Okay. So that's the job. Let's see how I get on. Let's go. Okay, that's me done. Right, I stand corrected. They're different colour renders. That's more like an ice white, and this is more of an off-white. So my apologies, I got that wrong. But nonetheless, this is now very, very clean. All the growth and algae is gone, and it's been rinsed down, looking great. So let's just walk around. Green gone. Lovely. See you on the next one.